how to use Roblox Group to make Robux as a team. So to make Robux as a team using a Roblox Group, you need to set up a group, earn funds through group-owned games or items, and distribute payouts. Now to set up and earn as a team, what you have to do is first create a group. So to create a group, open the Roblox app, then tap the three-line menu at the top left corner, then go to Communities. Now tap Create Community, which will cost you 100 Robux. Then enter the name of your community, give a description about it, upload a cover photo, then tap 100 at the bottom right. Then give your team members custom roles with specific permissions like create or configure items or access to group revenue. Then sell group clothing like shirts or pants, or create a group owned game where you sell game passes and developer products. All profits go directly into the group funds. Now what you have to do is access the Creator Hub, because direct payout menus are limited inside the mobile app interface. Go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari. Then log into the Roblox account. Then navigate to the Roblox Creator Hub dashboard and make sure that your team members have been in the group for at least 14 days or Roblox will block the transfer. Then go to the group's revenue tab, select payouts, choose one-time payout or set a recurring percentage split, and your team members, usernames, and distribute the Robux. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.